malakas ang hangin sa kabila, sa dinaanan ko. Buti na lang dito, hindi masyado malakas. Ako lang ang malakas. Weh. Yan. Kahit hinihingal na, malakas pa rin. Malakas ang hingal. Ingat-ingat tayo mga kaibigan. Huwag tayo lumalabas, okay? Maski tayo nag-iingat din tayo maigi. Hindi tayo pwede mag-cellphone habang makasalubong, may ibang tao. Lalo na tayo nag-bisikleta. Kaya huwag niya akong gagayahin. Okay? Bye. Nice one. Ayan. Po. Wala po. Good morning guys. Good morning. Ayan. So ayan guys, dito tayo ngayon. Ensayo mo tayo. Good morning to all guys. Good morning. Dito sa Katara. Kachedi baka naman. Ayan. Let's go. Ayan sila. Ito yan. Response tayo, response.
Lap 3, 2:49.
Nice one, nice one. Gamit ang lifting arm, gamit ang lifting arm.
Synchronize! Guys, follow ha. Pag hindi pa kaya ng bilis, ganun ha. Pag hindi pa kaya ang bilis, put your paddles up, okay? If you cannot get the rhythm of the starts ha. 20 starts. Ready? Dry. Attention. Go! 1, 2, 1, 2, 3,
Lap
7,
15,
8,
10:30.
9, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, power low, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, easy. Hi! Malilito yung pagilid eh. Turuan mo ng mahirap habang umagmaga. Padiretso mo yung katawan. Ha?
Kuha ka ng target mo.
Ayoko ng paganyang-ganyang timon ha.
Pressure?
Ayan, sana yan ha.
Bawal ang maganda dito.
Oh, dumadami yung maganda sa PDRT.
Oo nga eh.
Mamorin.
Oh.
Awit naman, awit. Si Yeti.
Si Yeti. Si Amihan. Yay! Ayan pa si Manlay.
President.
Wala na, patay na.
Durog na sila.
Wala na. Pag natalo tayo, Abercrombie na lang. Ganun na lang. Wala na, talo na sila.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it.
Hi. Okay guys, this is Coach Budoy again. Ito na naman tayo. Tapos na tayo sa araw na to. Dito tayo ngayon. Stop over man tayo. Yan, toilet muna tayo. At tayo'y bawal uminom sa kalsada. Dito na tayo uminom sa loob. Yan. Again, salamat sa aking pagsama sa araw na to. Yan. Okay. Shoutout tayo again. Shoutout sa mga kasama natin. Yan, Fireblades. Yan, Viva Barria Team, SUP. Same time, Aqua Guild. Multisports. Mga gusto mag-swimming dyan, Aqua Guild tayo. Yan, BTC, Bisaya Triathlon Club. and Algaria cycling. At the same time, Manya Cool and the Grind, and especially mention page ni Art. Follow natin si Sir Art. Yan. Okay? Yan. So, again, salamat sa aking pagsama. See you. Sa city, tinatawag na Ayala or Makati sa Philippines. You know, the mall, City Center Mall, a Marriott Hotel, Canaman,